So I just got in this order from Sézane that I've been actually looking at for a while now, but never really pulled the plug until this moment, and I'm so excited for her. I thought it would be fun to do a little unboxing. I think for the quality of the bag, it's actually a really good price, but it's still a bit of a penny. So I figured if I'm going to get one, I want to make sure that I absolutely love her. So every season I was waiting for the different color variations to see if I gravitated towards a certain one. I always end up getting black bags, but I quite literally think I have enough black bags. So I told myself, we're gonna go with color this time around. It doesn't have to be like a bright statement-y color, but I wanted something that stood out and was different than the other purses that I have currently in my collection. So the bag I got is the Milo bag. Milo, I'm not sure how they pronounce it, but it's the rectangle version of the hard case leather shoulder bag that they have on their website. They do have a like half crescent moon version of it. I got the full rectangle just because it was a little bit bigger. I liked the shape of it, especially when you're putting your phone in your bag. That U shape is kind of difficult to stuff things into. The box is actually stunning. It comes in this like olive green. This is the texture of the box. It's so pretty. So let's open it. It also comes in a little dust bag. I can't wait to show you guys the shade that I got it in. Oh my gosh, she is stunning. I got it in the burgundy version. They had a green one. It was like an olivey green, and I was gravitating towards that. I thought maybe that would be beautiful to have, just because I do have the bigger tote from Sézane, the suede tote, and I have that in the olive green. It's like a khaki, but it's like a greenish gray, and I thought it would be pretty to have together. But then I was like, okay, you already have something that's grayish green. Let's go with a different color variation. So I went with the burgundy, which is stunning. Like, this is such a beautiful rich color, and then in the shade it's much more darker, so it just kind of depends on like the lighting. In the summer, if you want to rock it, it's so bright and like so pretty. It's this like nice rich red, and then maybe in the fall and winter where it's like a little darker, it doesn't stand out as much. Let me take off the wrapping. The strap isn't too long, which is exactly what I wanted. I wanted something with a shorter strap. I feel like everything that comes out nowadays, especially bags with straps, it's always like a full crossbody, and I don't necessarily want a crossbody that's like all the way down to my hip. I want something that usually sits around like my high waist. Okay, the reason why I was so gravitated towards this bag is that when I saw how big the inside is, because I always carry so much stuff with me all the time, like inevitably I try to like downsize in my purses, but I love just making sure I have everything with me, and I hate having to get rid of stuff. I'm literally in my 30s. Like, I need stuff in my bag, and I don't want to go out of the house and not have the things that I need with me. This is how roomy the inside of this bag is. Like, it's huge. It has this little flat pocket in the middle of it, like right here, and I love that because you can put your card holder or your phone right there, and it also has a little zipper on the back, including also a little flap on the back of the bag as well. And it's really easy to open. I got 2 water bottles full, and they fit perfectly up to the top. 2 water bottle sizes, and it shuts easily. So in terms of like how much can you stuff? A lot. Now let me show you what I would put from my everyday bag into this guy, so you can kind of get like a gist of how much you can stuff as well. My card holder, we're gonna put this in the bigger cash purse, also from Sézane. It's actually a case for like the jewelry that came in with me. Pouch, hand sanitizer. Got this compact case for powder, a couple of hair clips, big and small. We've got a few different lip glosses, my Tower 28 little refresher whenever I'm out and about and I need a quick little, could help with like bare face or even like setting powder. All natural hand sanitizer, but I love it because it's like the size of a card holder. I'm gonna put that into the little slot. And then last, a little rolling fragrance pen that I like to have with me just in case. And it's like, yeah, you could fit quite a amount of things in there. It's pretty cute. Like, this is such a beautiful bag. Sits nicely on the shoulder and it's gorgeous. I love the color. I think it's such a beautiful color. I think it's a color that like will age nicely. Like, it's timeless. I do want to say, however, that the leather is very soft. It's like a shiny, soft leather, and I feel like you have to be careful with it. I feel like if you are not and you're someone that's like prone to throwing bags around and whatnot, it will probably scratch up a little bit. And I think that maybe the more textured version of this bag would probably be a better option. I know they had this exact color in like a crocodile, so then that way like you wouldn't noticeably see scratches or anything like that. So, but otherwise I think it's so beautiful. I'm so excited to wear the purse. This is the Milo Sézane crossbody bag.